Hello, are you having a good Saturday? I'm having a good Saturday up here. I just love the fall weather when it starts to change, and Saturdays are just really fun for me. I like to get up and work on projects. This is more of this house that I was working on. I did some more detail on the roof. I used some burnt umber and gray mixed together to give it more of a weathered look and give it more of a wood look. It was very flat, and I gave it an oak appearance by taking a brush and dragging it back and forth to make it look more like oak on the roof. And then I took some paint. I used folk art gold paint, which is metallic, and I painted this little silk leaf with it that fell off one of my decorations, and then I went over it with burnt umber, and I wiped it off so that some gold would show through, and this was the result, and it looks very realistic to me. I like the way that came out. And also, this morning I decided to try to do this painting that I have here. I have looked for years for a painting of a rainstorm and have not found anything that I was looking for that I liked. Most of the things I found were just too gray, and I wanted something that had more green, kind of a stormy green blue to it, and so I decided I was going to have to paint my own, and so I did this morning, and I used Christmas green, pewter gray, and bright blue apple barrel paint from Walmart to get the green color, and then for the background. And then I used Christmas green and black to do the trees. And I used burnt umber to do the ground in the forefront so that it looks like pine or fir needles on the ground. And so this is the result of what I got. Get a little bit closer to it. See the way I did the wind. I took some gray and mixed it with some of the same green paint that I had to make these trees fade in the background. They're kind of fading to a ghostly appearance in the background, which is what storms do when they're hard enough. Either rainstorms or snowstorms will do that. And some wind sweeping across the front. That was also with the same paint to give it that effect. Well, thank you for watching another DIY video of mine, and I really enjoy seeing everybody else's DIY, especially things that look like they're vintage, distressed, or homemade. I really find those interesting. There's a YouTuber called the Distressed Princess that does some really nice DIYs if you want to check her out. She has a nice little channel there, and she has a sweet personality. I like her. Alright, well, thank you for being with me today. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.